What's going on, guys? You know what day it is? It's Friday. I'm actually on time this week. So here it is, tool haul for the week. Picked up this CRAFTSMAN V20 series LED headlight. This is a tool only. Scored this off eBay for 60 bucks. So went ahead and grabbed that. Been looking for a new one. Been using this one for years, which is still working. But I can't use this in the interior. With this one, I should be able to hook on when I'm working on the inside of cars, which is where I'm at right now on this vehicle. So it'll be good to have some extra lighting in there. I don't have the electrical hooked up, just because I am working on the electrical. So there's that. Then I scored this one used as well too. Been looking for a Mac Access 3/8. It is used, still in good condition. Flex head, non-locking. So you can see US flag, USA on the switch. Still sounds good. I did add some oil in there. T6 screws to take off the faceplate. Do like the fact that it is serviceable. Handle is pretty comfortable on it though. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a new handle for it, get it swapped out, but this one's still okay. But yeah, I posted some pictures on Instagram, and you know, of course, Stanley Black & Decker owns Mac Tools, and they also own CRAFTSMAN. So, kind of similar theme between the two ratchets. Some obvious differences in style, design, but you know, black and red handle. Obviously this one has an knurling right here, but I think that's just to compensate the fact that the grip is so short on it. This one uses a hex screw for the flex head portion, whereas this one's a torque screw. This one's serviceable, and obviously, as previously stated, this one's non-serviceable. And you can hear the gearing. It's a lot rougher than this one. But I haven't really been enjoying the CRAFTSMAN as much, just because, I mean, the gearing is really hard, and this is how CRAFTSMAN has been over the years. I grew up using CRAFTSMAN. My dad still has the original CRAFTSMANs that I grew up using, 35 years ago, obviously. But there's that. So, yeah, really happy to pick this up, add this to the collection. I now have all three of the big three brands. Snap-on, Matco, but you know, the fact that I have an orange channel Matco, black and red Mac, and then a black and red Snap-on means I'm gonna have to get a black and red Matco sooner or later. So this is my second Matco flex head. Great ratchet. One of my favorites. But there's that. Alright, let's get this puppy opened up. Alright, so this thing advertises 51 to 74 adjustable links, extends the most hoods. We'll try that out here in a second. 2 brightness settings. So it goes from 600 or up to 1200 on the high. Runs on the 20 volt max system. So same thing there. Weighs 8.75 pounds. So it is folding. It doesn't come with a battery charger. I'm about to use it with one of my other batteries here in a second. So without further ado, here's the unit itself, folded up. So these do have rubber over moldings on it, so that way it grips and protects the painted surfaces. Power button right there, battery mount on this side, and then there's your LEDs. Alright, let's go and get this thing folded out. Let's see how this is done. Give me 1 second. So it's really neat. So it's a little detent design. It's a little plastic right there. Imagine over time, we just keep pulling it on and off, it'll wear out possibly. We'll find out long term. But you can do it in several positions. You can do it like that, and then so I imagine there's some kind of detent in there. So it is spring loaded, so that will keep the tension basically to hold on to anything. So let me get this hood propped up. Actually, all right, sorry about that, guys. All right, so the way I had earlier, these were actually facing the other way. This thing actually swivels on here, as you can see, so you can turn the light however you want it. So make sure you turn it the right orientation. All right. So battery is fully charged. This is only the, I believe, 1.5 amp hour battery. So we're gonna give it a try. Let's find the power button. I think it's over here. Still learning this thing. Yep, there it is. Wow. That is definitely much brighter than my other unit. Look at that. That is awesome. And turn off the garage light so that way y'all can see how much light it's putting out. And this is only off of 1.5 amp hour battery. So let's see the next setting. That's the low setting. Still not bad. So really impressed. Now the price on these, like I said, I paid 60 bucks for this, but general range I found on eBay was about 75 or so. I wouldn't pay anything more than that. I know Lowe's, if they still carry it, they usually put these on sale around the holidays, so just keep an eye out for that if you're looking for underhood light. Really good, decent quality, name brand, and it's portable too, so that way, you know, you're not dragging the cord around. But yeah, really impressed with this. All right, guys, y'all hang tight. Gonna do another separate video here. Got something pretty cool. I'm gonna do a separate video on it because I think it deserves its own video. So appreciate y'all watching. Take care.